This is the entrance of the temple, and this is very important because in the 19th century there used to be many temples dedicated to Mother India, and today that worship of India as a mother is gone. The idea was to have a quotation from Sri Aurobindo which explains why the worship of Mother India is important, how it can make Indians proud to be Indian, because today there's a lack of pride in being Indian. This is a statue of Bharat Mata and Shivaji, which we made in Pondicherry. It's 350 kilos solid brass. It's a unique statue. There are only 2 temples in India dedicated to Bharat Mata, one in Haridwar and ours. First is the Sri Yantra temple. If you look at the floor, this is a Sri Yantra design. It's a very spacious and very auspicious temple. And then here we have the Mother's Eye, the mother of Pondicherry, that is her eyes. And we have the 2 maps of spiritual India, how India's spiritual influence has gone all over South Asia. Also a brass statue of Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj was a Vibhuti directly sent by Lord Shiva to help India. Because of Shivaji's sacrifice, India's culture and spirituality from Pune to Kanyakumari was better preserved than the rest of India. Let us thank him. It's a little bit of a Buddhist technique. You have eyes, wherever you look, the eyes look at you. So this is a temple dedicated to the Mother India.
मानसंवाचिकं पावं कर्मणा संवाचितं श्रीशिवस्मरणेनैव व्यपोहति न संशयः इति शम्भुस्तथा वारो नक्षत्रं शम्भुरेव च योगश्च करणं दैव सर्वं शम्भुमयं जगत् ॐ शिव 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 शम्भोराज्ञया जम्बूद्वीपे भारतवर्षे भरतखण्डे चन्द्रमावां पुष्पवान् प्रजावान् पशुमान् भवति यदेवं वेद योपामायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवतेभ्यो घोरघोरतरेभ्यः सर्वेभ्यः सर्वेभ्यो नमस्ते अस्तु रुद्ररूपेभ्यः सम्प्रदायमयस्पति सम्प्रदारसः ब्राह्मणे समृतरुं हितं निर्दिशन्तु नः लोकमतो कामान् समर्थयन्तु नः देवै समाभृताः भवानी सज्जयनी गुरुराय कृतस्तुतः सुनीते सहमागुणातो मत्सत्या वरुणः समीच्या यो राजा प्रमभिर्भिः वेदमानो वरुणेह वोदृशकं समानाय प्रमोषे सकलतीर्थाधिपतिं वरुणं यथास्थानं प्रतिष्ठापयामि शोभनार्थे क्षेमाय पुनः स्पदे विश्वारूपाण्याभिषण् सर्वकर्पूरज्योतिः
special and auspicious day, not only because His Holiness is here, but also because this is a unique project, and it's the first time in India there's such a temple and such an exhibition. I was 19, and the idea of driving from Paris to Pondicherry, something in me pushed me to go. I felt that I should go. I didn't know anything about India. I was not interested in spirituality. Today, it is my belief that I had the experience of Mother India. That many saints have said, many yogis, avatars have said, India is not only a piece of land, it is a Shakti. It is a living knowledge. And whoever opens... My first guru was India. When I reached Delhi, I felt my first guru was Mother India. And since then, in many places in India, I felt at home. I felt that, I knew this place from before. Places like Almora in the Himalayas, where we go every year because we feel very connected to the Himalayas. So the Mother is present everywhere in India, and this temple is dedicated to her. Of course, I am a Frenchman, though I spent only 18 years of my life in France. I remain a Frenchman. I like to understand. I like to think. I like to reason by logic. So why should a Frenchman build a temple like that? Because I believe that if people can come here, this is also a place of knowledge. People can come here, they can come to this temple, they can pray, meditate, see a puja, come down from their heads to their hearts, and then they come to the exhibition halls. Now we have 3, we're going to have 4, and the main museum is going to come up on top. You see the foundation of the museum already done. So people can come to the temple, meditate, pray. They can go and see something of the history. Indian history is so incredible, so ancient, so sacred. Yet people in India do not know about their own history. As a Frenchman, as a lover of Napoleon, as an admirer of my own culture, I'm shocked to see that today's education in India produces so many brilliant youth who are just good for export because they have no awareness of their roots, of their culture, of their saints, of their avatars, also the tragedy of their own history, how much people have suffered in this country. So the idea of this place is that people come to the Mother and Shivaji Maharaj, they feel connected, then they see a little bit of their, history, and they come out more knowledgeable, more proud.
बहुत ही मुझे प्रसन्नता हुई है कि मैं शुरू से ही शिवाजी महाराज की फैन रही हूँ और उनका कर्तृत्व हमेशा मेरी इंस्पिरेशन रहा है। और उन्होंने जो आज किया है, हम देखते हैं कि शिवाजी महाराज को सब मानते हैं, लेकिन उनकी जैसा बर्ताव करना या उनकी इतनी कम उम्र में जो उन्होंने महाराष्ट्र के लिए या सब देश के लिए जो किया है, वैसा इंस्पिरेशन लेना चाहिए। और जो उन्होंने मंदिर जो बनाया है,
मैं आज यहाँ आकर बहुत ही प्रसन्न हुआ हूँ, क्योंकि छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज ये हमारे सबके भगवान के रूप में हमने उनको स्वीकार किया है। आदर्श राजा कैसे हो सकता है, इसका उदाहरण उन्होंने अपने जीवन में दिया है। मुझे याद है मराठी में उनका वर्णन रामदास स्वामी ने किया है, यशवंत, कीर्तिवंत, वर्धवंत, सामर्थ्यवंत, जाणता राजा, निश्चयाचा महामेरू, बहुजनाचे आधारू, अखंड स्थितीचा निधारू, श्रीमंत योगी। ये वर्णन जिनका किया है, ऐसे छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज की स्मृति और उसके साथ शिवाजी महाराज जी ने अपने जीवन में जिस विचारों से प्रेरित होकर अपने जीवन में काम किया है, उसके अनुसार यह एक स्मारक और म्यूजियम यहाँ बनाने का निर्धार एक फ्रेंच व्यक्ति ने, जो हमारी संस्कृति, इतिहास और विरासत से प्रेरणा लेकर यहाँ रह रहे हैं, उन्होंने संकल्प करके एक बहुत बड़ा काम खड़ा करने का आह्वान स्वीकार किया है। महाराज जैसा दूसरा कोई राजा नहीं। It's a great thing for the country, we people, and we are very proud of you.
इस जीवन की प्रत्येक गतिविधि, उतार चढ़ाव, प्रत्येक क्षण इस तथ्य और सत्य को उजागर करते हैं कि यहाँ पर सब कुछ अनित्य है। इस अनित्य गतिविधियों के पीछे छिपे नित्य विधाता को साक्षात करने वाले अनेक महापुरुष।
कुछ बात है मकर संक्रांति पूरा और हमारा। तो अभी पिछले 8-9 वर्ष से कुछ ऐसा संयोग बन जाता है, इन्हीं दिनों में मैं आया। आप लोग में कुछ जादू करते हैं। मैं किसी और शहर में इतना निश्चित रूप से एक तिथि पे कभी नहीं गया, मगर पुणे की कुछ तो बात है। यहाँ आप लोग हर साल ये बोल के भेजते हो हमको, तिल गुड़ दिया गुड़ आज मकर संक्रांति के दिन तिल गुड़ दिया गुड़ गुड़ बोला जो बोलते हैं, ठीक बोल रहे हो? 2 संदेश है। क्या? तिल जैसे अपने को मानो, विनम्र हो जाओ, तुम छोटे हो इस अखंड ब्रह्मांड में, तुम तिल जैसे बहुत छोटे हो और छोटे होने पर भी मधुर और मीठे भी हो। तो सबको ये बात बताते जाओ, तुम छोटे हो और मीठे हो, और मीठे हो तो बोलोगे भी मीठी बातें निकली। और ऐसे एक महत्वपूर्ण कार्य होना हो, इसके लिए एक पैशनेट फ्रेंचमैन की जरूरत है। पैशनेट फ्रेंचमैन एंड ए क्लेवर लेडी who can manage him could bring about something like this. You know, it's not a huge big building. You know, there are big buildings, you go and you get very little knowledge. Here in simple huts, you go in, you get more knowledge. And he has kept the name, the Museum of Tolerance. Of course, छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज का तो इतना देश भर में, सिर्फ महाराष्ट्र ही नहीं है, देश भर में लोग इनके लिए आभारी। मुझे एक कहानी इनका तो बहुत जचता है, वो जब ये हार गए, हिम्मत हार गए थे। आपको पता ही होगा, सब यहाँ तो सब जानते ही हैं, मगर कुछ लोग शायद भूल गए हो, मैं दोबारा बोल दूंगा। छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज जब इतना हिम्मत हार गए थे, लगा कि बहुत तनाव, बहुत बोझ जैसे पॉलिटिक्स में होता ही है, राजकारण में राजनेताओं को होता ही है कि कभी तो लगता है कि सब छोड़ छाड़ के हम अपना काम बैठ जाए कहीं पर, अपना परिवार देखें, देश का क्या होता, कुछ तो करेंगे, कोई और आके कर लेंगे, ऐसा मन में हो जाता है। नितिन जी को भी तो हुआ होता तो ऐसी बात जब शिवाजी महाराज को जब हो गई थी एक बार, तो समर्थ रामदास जी आए, उनके सामने उन्होंने अपना मुकुट उतार के रख दी। पता है ये कहानी आप लोगों को पता है? आगे बताओ क्या हुआ? देखो ये सब म्यूजियम जो है ना, ये इंटरैक्टिव होता है। हाँ, एक ही व्यक्ति सवाल नहीं पूछता, सवाल पूछने वाले जवाब भी देते, जवाब देने वाले सवाल पूछते हैं।
I would like to thank all our donors and sponsors and people who have helped us over the years to realize this Bhavani Bharati Shrine, which we are inaugurated today. All those people in America, in UK, in India, who have been with us through all the trials and tribulations of putting this temple up and being successful, they are all part of this success today. François has put up a temple which is dedicated to Mother India. Me as an Indian didn't think about it, but he did, and he worked passionately to fulfill this dream, to awaken this worship of Mother India. And with this temple, we hope that the people of India would today start to worship her as the divine energy. As this is the first step in our project, we still have the vision and the dream to put up a museum of Indian history, which will happen on the land just behind where the temple is established. And we would need the support and financial support plus the support materially to go forward to fulfill this dream. The whole project is for 10 crores. Let's begin now that the temple is done, to keep the energy high so we can go forward with your help and support to fulfill this dream for Mother India.